Welcome everyone in today's video of how to log in. Do you want to log in German American Bank? This is what this tutorial is for. Just watch this entire video in order to get logged in German American Bank. First step is really simple. Just search for the keyword German American login in your browser. And from that, click on the link where it says login German American Bank. Just click on it and you will be redirected to the login page of German American Bank. Here you can see an online banking sign-in option. Here you have to fill user ID and password. You can also see many other login options over there as per requirement. Here I'll show you how to log in online banking. Put your user ID and then put your password. Make sure password is correct. If you have forgotten user ID or password, click on this forget password. It'll simply click on the sign in button. And if all the credentials are correct, you'll be logged in German American Bank. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to find more helpful videos like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment down at the comment section below.